Yo, it's David down at Crosstown, Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus with Stow-N-Go seating in billet silver metallic paint, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood, and this seats up to 7 people. Come to the front here. This has darkened headlamps, adding for a more aggressive look. Blacked out front as well. This has halogen headlamps, high beams are there, turn signals, and there's 2 fog lamps on the front bumper, and there's honeycomb inside the grille as well, and there's a nice Dodge badge there. Come to the side here. This Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus is running on 17-inch Yokohama Avid mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. There are alloy rims, and the rims have black styling touches as well. And this has 4-wheel disc brakes all around and mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Color matching door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors are breakaway, and they're heated mirrors as well. So heat these up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. Storage down below with a cup holder. LED light there, lighting up the ground before you so you can see where you're walking at nighttime. There's storage in the middle. Nice leather padding. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. This has rear power vents. Chrome door handles for the front doors. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. It is a tilt steering wheel too. Here you have the headlamp switch. Push this in, that'll turn on the fog lights. There's a dimmer knob there. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. This has cloth seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Grand Caravan. There's an umbrella holder right there. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles to hold your cups into place. There's a little storage compartment right here with a change holder. Nice chrome styling touches. Another storage area up front here, and there's 2 12-volt DC power outlets. The only difference is one, the ignition has to be on for it to work, and the other one is always going to have power to it. Tons of space. You can easily close that back up, and there's another little storage area right there as well. This has an auto dimming rear view mirror and reading lamps up top, and there's unique styling touches on the dashboard and on the doors. Let's go check out the rear seating area. This does have power sliding doors. Just pull this with your hand like this, and the door will finish the work for you. So I did move the driver's seat forward all the way. So all you gotta do is pull this latch right here and lift up this cover, and then put up the armrests like that. Then pull this handle right here. The seat flips up. Just gotta give it a little push, and it folds right down the floor. Then you can pull the cover back over just like this. Now that's Stow-N-Go seating. Here's the rear seating area. There's 2 big cup holders on the left side, a little storage spot, another cup holder here, more storage areas. There's hooks up here so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't have to get all wrinkled. Adjustable air vents up there. There's also adjustable air vents here as well. This does have the rear entertainment area. Push this button right here and the screen comes down. It is an LCD screen, so kids and adults can be entertained while on the go. Does have rear climate controls up here, and down here are connections for the entertainment area. So there's a HDMI connection, AV connections, there's a power outlet there, there's 2 USB ports which you can use for charging devices, and there's a 115 volt AC power outlet there, so if someone needs to power up a laptop, they can easily do that. And there's handles on both sides, which makes it that much easier for your passengers to get into the Grand Caravan. And to put up the seat, you just do the opposite of what you did to put it down. Just like that. And if the seats aren't in the floor, you can use these areas for storage. You put drinks in there, camping supplies, food items, so they're not in the way of the passengers and they're out of sight. And there's a button right here which you can press to close the power sliding door. Excellent. This is where you put gasoline inside the Dodge Grand Caravan. Come to the back here. This does have a rear window wiper, LED tail lamps, and this does have a spot for a hitch on the back of it. That's right, this Grand Caravan can tow things up to 3,600 pounds. Not bad. The pedal start engine is very powerful and dependable. Nice Dodge lettering on the back, Grand Caravan badge. Beautiful. Here is the key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Press this button twice and that will open up the power lift gate. Sweet. Lots of space in the back here for many different things. The rear seats do fold down very easily. I'm going to show you how to do that. So step 1, headrest goes down. Step 2, backrest folds forward. Step 3, it unlatches. And step 4, you just pull it back just like this and give it a little push. Sweet. When all the seats are folded down, it gives you more space in the box of a truck to haul big things. And you just do the opposite of what you did to put it down, to put it up. And I'll show you the other side as well. Look at all that space. Put it back up. Pull this, that locks it back up. Pull the backrest back up and the headrest back up. There's hooks on the backs of the seats so you hang up bags so things aren't rolling around all over the place. And there's a storage area on the side there. There's a convenience light on the lift gate and spots for your hands to go so you can easily pull down the lift gate. Press this button here on the side, you'll hear a few beeps, and then the power lift gate will come down right before your eyes. Using the key fob, you can open up both power sliding doors just by hitting either button twice. I'll show you here with the passenger side. Press it twice. Boom. Opens right up. Puck on the back of the passenger seat, hooks so you can hang up bags. This side also can be folded down too. We're just gonna lift up the cover here, and you know the drill. It is in the floor. Yep, you got the handle here, and down here, there's a large storage area, and there's 2 big cup holders. Access into the rear seating area is fantastic. Front passenger side here, storage down below with a cup holder, LED light there lighting up the ground before you, storage in the middle, nice leather padding, power locks, power window switch, great style. Directional air vent right here which you can close and open. There is an upper glove box here with a USB port, lower glove box here with some goodies in there for you. You can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents you want to keep in there. This easily moves back like so. And there's a large storage area right here which goes right through to the other side. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. And for safety, this has driver and passenger side airbags. It has airbags built into the front seats. This has side curtain airbags and more. Lots of safety built in this Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus and using the key fob here, go over to the side and push this into the ignition. All you gotta do is turn it and that starts up the Grand Caravan. the tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge. Very nice to look at, and it's a very nice design. This Grand Caravan only has 1,043 kilometers on it. Not very much at all, so definitely come out and down to Crosstown and take this thing for a test drive. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. And yes, the first thing you'll see is the odometer, but if you press the step button here, you can go through your info. You have a trip A calculator, hold the reset button, you can easily reset that. There's a trip B calculator, which you can also reset by holding the reset button. You have your distance still empty on your tank of fuel, a digital speedometer, liters per 100 kilometers, that is the fuel economy. Reset that just by holding the reset button. Outside thermometer, and back to the odometer. And if you open up any door on this Grand Caravan, I'll let you know which door on the vehicle is opened. Nice big Dodge badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Automatic transmission, and you can select what gear you want to go into, just like that. Put this into reverse. A backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you, and there's even guidelines. Very handy. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can close and open, close and open. Beautiful styling touches. Economy mode button here, that's off. That's on when activated. It makes the Grand Caravan run more fuel efficiently. Hazards. This turns on the 115 volt power outlet in the back seat area. You can turn off the traction control, 3-zone climate control with air conditioning and a rear window defroster. Easily adjust where you want the air to go by using these buttons here. Adjust the fan speed, driver's temperature, passenger temperature, rear temperature, and you can have it set so it's on rear control. That's rear control. Or you can have full control up front. You can choose yourself. And up here, there are buttons for the power sliding doors, the power liftgate, and you can turn off the power sliding doors. There is a sunglasses holder right here, a mirror so you can keep an eye on everybody in the back seat area to make sure that they are behaving. Yep, you got your reading lamps, tons of visibility out the front window, and here is the touchscreen Uconnect system. When it's off, it tells you the time. It still has plastic on there. You can be the first one to take off this plastic. There's an auxiliary port right here, so you can plug in your media, and there's a USB port, which is great for charging devices. Press the power button, hit accept that you'll obey the rules. If I turn up the volume here, great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely rock you out, have a good time while you're driving this Dodge Grand Caravan. Yeah. Turn it back down like this. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. It does tell you the song and the artist that's playing. This has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. Presets here. Easily hold a box, and you can easily set a preset just like that. This has GPS navigation through the map. It gives you a great view of where you are, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. There's a digital speedometer there. There's a compass. Go back. Put an address. I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. You can set up points of interest and more. Press this button here. The screen tilts down, exposing a CD player, so you can listen to all your favorite CDs. Has a menu button here, so you can adjust system settings. Audio here, adjust your audio, is equalizer right there too. Built-in hard disk drive, you store music and pictures on the system, so you can bring them with you wherever you go. Media button here, so if you have something in the CD player, stuff on the hard disk drive, press the media button here, you can listen to music through those areas. Radio, that allows you to cycle between AM, FM, and SiriusXM. You can favorite your favorite songs or artists on SiriusXM 2. This has voice recognition, cancel, and Bluetooth.
Uconnect phone ready.
Cancel. Using voice recognition that will assist you in making hands-free calls through Bluetooth. Using this button here, you can easily pair a phone to the system. It's the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus with Stow-N-Go seating in billet silver metallic paint, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood. It has seating for up to 7 people. It has a blacked out interior, darkened headlamps, and black touches on the rims and more. Come see if this is going to be your next everyday driver today at Crosstown. I'm Man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.